Congratulations on signing up for the Interactive Life app. This is a powerful tool for communication and content delivery, unlike any other app, yet so simple to use. To get started, it's useful to clarify certain terminology that we will refer to all the time throughout this video, as well as all the other training videos. We will also quickly cover how to create a basic app from scratch, so that you can understand the process, then make adjustments to your own app. Let's take a quick look at the app itself before we go behind the scenes. Essentially, the app is made up of tiles and pages. These are tiles. They contain all sorts of information like text, graphics, web pages, videos, Q&A forms, and so much more. In order to see these tiles, they have to be placed on a page. This whole area is a page, and it can contain as many tiles as you would like. This top area is the banner. It is a static image used mainly for giving the app a specific look and identity. It can be various sizes. However, it is not necessary to even have a banner. This area above the banner is the navigational menu. This is how you access different pages of tiles quickly. You can also swipe left or right to access all the pages, or you can use the side menu to access the pages, as well as user profile and logout. In the portrait orientation, the app uses a 2-column format by default. In landscape orientation, the tiles will line up from left to right to fill your screen, giving you multiple columns. There is a lot of flexibility built in. You have the options to have single, double, or even mixed columns of tiles. All the graphics you see are customizable and easily changed to create the look you want. You can change out banners, tile graphics, backgrounds, and even title colors and the background colors of the title area. Now, let's take a quick tour of Life Studio. Life Studio is the program that allows you to build the app itself. It's extremely convenient because it is accessed online. You can log in from anywhere and on any computer as long as you have internet. The possibilities are endless, so we will demonstrate the very basics of simply creating tiles, then placing them onto a page, and publish them onto the app. To log in, go to lifestudio.us and type in your username and password. Along the top, you see the main sections that control different features of the app. Tiles. This is the section where you create the content of the tiles and control all aspects of that tile. Groups. This is where you create groups of tiles into events and folders and categories. Mobile app. This is where you create pages of the app and actually publish pages of tiles so they show up on mobile devices. You can also control certain app settings here. Engines. Depending on your app features package, you will see certain engines. These allow you to carry out key features like push notifications, smart push, and more. Livestream. This section allows you to control all aspects of live video streaming, chat functions, and delivery of content under the video stream. Analytics. From here, You can get all the statistics of app user activity. Master controls. From here, you can trigger tile content, moderate photos and videos, and send out push notifications. Admin. Depending on your administrative privileges, you can control who can access the app and how much is required to do so. The Tools section is where you can access help videos, request support via email, and utilize the background generator. There are more control features we can cover, but for now, we will concern ourselves with tiles and widgets and mobile app pages. For full step-by-step instructions, you can go to Tools, then How to Video Help. Here you will find instructional videos on various features of Life Studio, including Pages and Publishing, which covers this topic in high detail. In order to create tiles, click on Tiles, and then Widgets. Along the left side, you will see all the widgets. These are the tools you use to create various types of tiles. For this simple example, we'll just start with the Editor widget and give it some content. The Editor widget we just used is like a digital Swiss Army knife full of features. For complete instructions on how to use the Editor widget, as well as many other features, please see Tools, then How to Video Help. You will need to name your tile before it can be saved. You can choose to tag it with any description you wish for future sorting. This is optional. This optional section allows you to change the theme or color scheme of the tile. The default color background is white. Themes can be altered or even created from scratch. You can also choose to create an optional category. This is very useful for when you have many tiles covering all sorts of purposes. Once a tile is created and saved, it shows up here on the right. To put the tile on the app so that it's now visible on your device, you need to place it onto a page. Click Mobile App, then Pages. On the far right column, you see all the tiles you created. Simply drag them onto the page here. In order to save your work, the page will have to be named. This is the name that will show up in the navigation menu. Once a page is saved, the changes are visible on the app. As you can see, there are no graphics, just the name of the tiles that were published. To add a graphic, also called an icon, click on the round icon symbol for that tile. This calls up the image library, where you can choose a graphic or load one from your own files. You can choose to uncheck or check the Show Title function. If your graphic already has a title on it, as our demonstration does, we recommend you uncheck the Show Title. Don't forget, you have to save in order to see your work updated on the app. To add a banner, background, and adjust the colors of titles and title background, click on the Background button. To add a banner, click on Banner. You can choose a graphic on your computer to be used for the banner. When you choose the graphic you want to load, you will notice there are recommended pixel sizes for the banner and background. These are only recommendations. Graphics larger or smaller can give interesting results. You can change the color of the title background and the title itself here. Full instructions are found in the Pages and Publishing videos. As you can see, getting started is simple. We recommend getting to know what each widget can do. Check out the rest of the instructional videos so you can take advantage of all the powerful features at your fingertips.